Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making audio reliable. Pick a platform and sign in now, because account setup often blocks everything else. Once done, connect and select your microphone as the system default. Make sure levels sit around 75% so you avoid clipping. Next, grant mic permissions in the browser or app, then update the client to the latest version to avoid incompatibilities. Finally, run an immediate echo/test call to confirm input, hear latency, and catch driver or permission problems before inviting others. Now you optimize how voice behaves in a live session. Open audio settings and choose 44, 1K HZ or 48K HZ for consistency, and prefer 16-bit unless recording requires 24-bit. Enable noise suppression and echo cancellation to reduce room artifacts, because clean audio improves comprehension and reduces fatigue. Decide between push-to-talk and voice-activated transmission. If you pick voice activation, tune sensitivity so background noise doesn't gate you. Finally, to finish, set up the session environment. Create channels or rooms and assign roles so moderation is clear, because structure prevents chaos in larger groups. Enable recording or live transcripts if you need logs, and connect integrations like music bots or cloud recording where necessary. Make a short pre-call checklist for guests. If something breaks, try the key troubleshooting tip. Restart the app, then the audio driver. If that fails, swap USB ports, or use an alternate device to isolate hardware versus software issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.